Welcome back to Sleazy's Garage. Today I'll be attempting to finish cleaning out the inside of the Oxford White Mustang GT from 1989. This is a mixture of white vinegar, dish soap, and water. So I've been able to air it out, and I can actually go into it without breaking out into hives, which is important. Since my last video, replaced the hatch lift cylinders. They work great, but I think I installed them upside down. Many of the pieces are in okay shape, but they do need to be re-dyed. They were dyed black. I guess in high school I wanted to have a black interior in my Foxbody Mustang. You don't have any money when you're in high school, so you try to make do with what you got. I'm also going to be cutting off the exhaust pipe, which is dragging on the ground. Hopefully, after this, I can actually get started on the restoration process. So let's get started. My phone overheated in the sun, so I'm not sure exactly what it... Just wanted to point out a couple more points of damage that are going to need to be repaired. This is one of the studs for the front driver's seat. I suppose I'm going to hammer this down, re-weld it, and some kind of rust conversion stuff on it. There's like flash rust here and there. There was an attempt to install a roll cage or something because that looks like a weld through. And the torque boxes were not reinforced or anything like that. I do plan on reinforcing the torque boxes and installing a roll cage. But I'm talking about this particular hole in particular. There is, looks like there's weld, and I don't know, I'll have to look at that. This also concerns me a little bit. It makes me think that maybe there's some torque box flexing. This particular thing is concerning as well. It makes me think either, I know the car got hit in that far corner. I don't know if that's from that or if that's from flexing of the chassis. Like I said, I did install subframe connectors to stop most of the flex, but you know, hard launches, there's nothing we can do about it. I do plan on installing. sure yet. So we're gonna let this dry out for a couple hours. Hopefully the sun will come out. I put some of these Harbor Freight rags, stuff some in the corners, let them try to absorb some of the water. Problem is, I don't know if you guys have ever purchased these rags, but they kind of smell. I don't want to leave them in there that long. They actually smell more moldy than the car did. that's it. She's in the garage. I know this whole intake process has dragged on for a very long time. Believe me, it's my entire week's vacation. Thanks for actually sticking through it. If you have, my next video will probably be where I take apart some body panels and start addressing some of the rust. I want to focus on mostly the body work and rust remediation, cleaning, prepping the engine bay. I want to try to take a shot at filling all the holes in the aprons. That's probably going to take a very long time, and it's going to be a lot of welding. I might end up just replacing the aprons with those nice clean ones from LMR or something, but I'm not sure. I do want to give it a try though. Cool. Thanks again.